Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Well, it's quite easy, so all you have to do is simply open the Snapchat and from here make sure that you are logged into your account. So after doing that, here you'll have to tap on your profile right here, and from here you'll have to now scroll down. You can see my story option. So all you have to do is tap on it and open your current story on Snapchat. So after doing that, here you can see this is your story, and from here you'll have to swipe up. So after swiping up here, you can see under the insights there are various things like viewers, screenshots, and everything. Here you can also see the option of story replies, viewers, and everything. So there will also be the option of screenshot if anyone has yet screenshotted your story. So if you scroll up in here under the insights, here you can see screenshots are currently 0. If anyone had taken a screenshot, there will be 1, and there will be another option for screenshot, and like that you'll be able to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.